Good day, my friends. What's up? Welcome to this video. I decided to come here, talk to you about taking care of your skin. I love taking care of my skin. I have a daily skincare routine for day, for night, and it's just incredible. You know, it's like it's that me time. It's that time where you are relaxed, where you are taking care of your beautiful selves. But what if I told you that there's actually another way that you can go all the way in taking great care of your skin? Would you try it? Guys, I know skincare is great, but let me tell you, I bet you didn't know that your skincare should start in your gut. So today I'm actually here to talk to you about Primebiome, because this is actually a supplement that helps you take care of your gut. And by taking care of your gut, you're taking care of your skin. So imagine you are embarking on this journey where your skin is actually really radiant and glowy, and you know your digestive system is also working perfectly fine. So that's where Primebiome comes in, and this supplement that's turning everyone's dream into reality. So I left for you their official webpage in the description box. Remember, if you want to purchase the original Primebiome, you only can do that on the official webpage, because today the internet, sure, there are other places trying to sell it, but you have to be careful, guys, because there are always those people who are going to want to take advantage of things, you know what I'm saying? So pop over to this link afterwards to purchase the original Primebiome. And anyways, Primebiome is this fantastic dietary supplement that was designed to support both your gut and your skin's health through a blend of natural and vegan-friendly ingredients. So it has probiotic strains, okay? Beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus, and these lactobacilluses, they are really great to promote a balanced gut microbiome, adding digestion and also enhancing your skin's health. There's also the blend of the prebiotic compounds, okay, like inulin. It serves as a nourishment for these probiotics, fostering their growth and activity within your digestive tract. Then, of course, guys, there are the herbal extracts. So these ingredients like fennel, babchi, lemon balm, organic lion's mane, and slippery elm bark are incorporated for their traditional uses in supporting digestive comfort and skin vitality. So these are the great days, because did you know that Primebiome comes as a gummy form? So you don't have to be choking down on pills anymore, because these gummies come in a variety of flavors, making them an enjoyable part of your daily routine. And all it takes is one gummy a day for you to have a gut that is working and a skin that is radiant, that is flawless. So think about that, okay? Next time you're doing your skincare routine, think about Primebiome, or maybe pop over to their official webpage right now to learn more. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.